The perfect match!
Pororo and his friends are playing hide and seek in the playground.
Where is everybody hiding? Aha! I found you!
Oh, you found us. But it's gonna be hard finding the others.
Ta-da! I've got special glasses. Let's see. Hobie and Harry are on the second floor.
Oh no, he found us.
I am so smart. All right, only Pororo and Krong are left.
Well, if we stay here, they'll find both of us. Krong, go hide somewhere else. Hurry up and leave. Come on, go somewhere else.
Pororo, Krong, I can see you.
Thanks to you, he found us.
Tong Tong is flying towards them. But what is he holding?
Stop right there.
They're all over there.
Krong.
Should I stop by? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are you okay?
Oh my.
Tong, what is all this?
Wow, sweet potatoes. I brought them so I could share them with you guys. But they have to be cooked first.
Then how about we go and eat them at my house?
Wow, that sounds like fun.
Everyone is gathered at Loopy's house.
Here, the sweet potatoes are ready. Try them.
It smells good. Oh, right. How about I try one? I'm going to eat more than you.
But Loopy, just eating these is making my mouth dry.
It's tough to swallow.
Really? Hang on. Ta-da!
Oh, isn't this kimchi?
Sweet potatoes are the perfect match. Try them together.
Really? Let me try. Wow, it does taste better.
Kimchi takes away that dry feeling in your mouth, and the sweet potatoes make the kimchi taste less salty.
That's why they're the perfect match.
Pororo, Krong, you need to get along like kimchi and sweet potato do.
Okay. Krong, what's wrong? Are you okay? Does this feel better?
Oh, that's right. I have a good idea. Yummy, yummy, Cooking Princess, Loopy. Yummy, yummy food and healthy recipes. Happy, happy Cooking Princess Loopy. Wow! What is today's dish? Ta-da! Drink this, Krong. You'll feel much better. Go on, drink it.
Do you feel better?
It's called tongchimi. It's a type of kimchi.
Huh? This is also kimchi?
Yes, there are tons of different types of kimchi. Hang on a moment. Ta-da!
Hey, Loopy, what's this?
This is gattugi. This is the tongchimi that Krong had. This is white kimchi. And this is young radish kimchi.
There are so many different types of kimchi.
Let's see. Whoa, it's crunchy. Oh my. It's
not spicy at all.
Yum, it's good.
Is the tongchimi really that good? Give me some too.
You shouldn't eat it by yourself just because it tastes good.
On this day, everyone enjoyed sharing the different types of kimchi.